Hello listeners, welcome to Daily English Pulse. In today's video, you'll hear common English dialogues used in everyday situations, perfect for beginners and intermediate learners. Improve your English listening skills with this simple and clear conversation practice. Repeat the sentences out loud for better speaking practice. The lazy cat. Once upon a time, there was a lazy cat named Milo. He loved to sleep all day and eat all night. One day, his food bowl was empty. He waited and waited, but no one came. Milo had to get up and walk to the kitchen. He meowed loudly. Finally, his owner gave him food. Milo learned, if I want something, I have to move. So what do we learn from this? We learn that don't be too lazy, keep practicing and focus your goal. Let's move another one. Tom was a little boy who found a wallet on the street. It had money and an ID card. Tom could keep it, but he didn't. He took it to the police station. The next day, the owner came and thanked him. Tom felt proud. He didn't take the money. But he got something better, respect. Moral: honesty always wins. The magic pencil. Anna loved to draw. One day, she found a shiny pencil in the park. She drew a cat, and it came to life. She drew a house, and it became real. But soon, her drawings became too wild. Monsters, ghosts, and dragons. Anna quickly erased them all. She kept the pencil safe and only drew nice things after that. Moral: use your talents wisely. Keep listening, viewer, and try to speak after me. A gift for mom. Sam wanted to buy a gift for his mom. But he had only $5. He walked into a flower shop. The flowers were too expensive. So, he picked wild flowers from the park. He wrapped them with paper and a ribbon. His mom smiled and gave him a big hug. It was the best gift ever. Moral: love is more valuable than money. The girl who believed. Lucy wanted to be a singer. Everyone said, you can't do it. But Lucy practiced every day. She sang in school, in the shower, everywhere. One day, she got a chance to sing at a talent show. She sang with all her heart. The crowd clapped and cheered. Lucy smiled. She believed, and she did it. Moral: believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, you can do what you want to do. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the more you're perfect. The clock that stopped. A small clock on Sam's desk stopped ticking. He thought it was broken and wanted to throw it away. But his grandpa looked at it and said, let me try. With a tiny tool, he opened it, fixed the spring, and it ticked again. Sam learned that some things just need a little care. Moral: don't give up too quickly. Girl and the balloon. Lily was walking in the park when she saw a little girl crying. Her red balloon had floated away. Lily had a balloon too. She looked at her balloon, then at the girl. Without a word, she handed her balloon to the girl. The girl smiled, and Lily felt warm inside. Moral: small kindness can mean everything. The artist girl. Nina loved painting, but at school, some kids laughed at her drawings. She felt sad and almost stopped painting. Then her teacher said, art is about heart, not perfection. Nina kept painting. One day, her artwork was chosen for the school wall. Everyone clapped for her. Moral: believe in your passion, even if others don't. The girl and the old woman. One rainy day, Zara saw an old woman struggling with her shopping bags. People passed by, but no one helped. Zara ran with her umbrella and said, let me help you. She carried the bags and walked the woman home. The woman said, you have a golden heart. Zara smiled. Moral: helping others is the best kind of strength. The girl who planted a tree. Emma loved nature. She saw a dry, empty park near her school. One day, she brought a small tree and planted it. Every day, she watered it. Months passed, and the tree grew tall. Soon, kids were playing in its shade. All because of one girl and one tree. Moral: one small act can grow into something beautiful. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep improving your English listening skills, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new video. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching.